In the fast-paced world of metal fabrication, manufacturers need more than just a press brake. They need a solution that boosts efficiency, guarantees precision, and delivers real return on investment. Meet CNHAWE's HPE electric servo e-bend press brake, a game-changer that redefines what's possible, leaving outdated hydraulic systems behind. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a shift to smarter, more profitable metal bending. What makes the HPE stand out? Its core, advanced servo-electric technology. Unlike traditional hydraulic press brakes, with their constant running pumps, messy oil, and leak risks, the HPE uses a high-efficiency servo motor directly coupled to a ball screw. This means, no hydraulic fluid, no wasted energy, and precise control over every movement. The servo motor only draws power when the ram is active, whether bending or holding pressure, eliminating idle energy waste. Plus, its direct drive design ensures rigid, consistent ram control, laying the foundation for efficiency, precision, and long-term reliability. Efficiency is built into every part of the HPE. First, energy savings. It cuts electricity use by 30% to 50% compared to hydraulic machines, because it only uses power when it's working, not when it's idle. Then, productivity. Its servo motor enables lightning-fast ram speeds, quick approach, controlled bending, rapid return, slashing cycle times. Setup is faster too, no hydraulic warm-up, just intuitive CNC programming. The HPE delivers it at a level hydraulic machines can't match. Its servo-electric drive controls the ram to micron-level accuracy, so every bend hits the exact penetration depth needed for consistent angles, no more variations from hydraulic fluid temperature or compression. The servo-driven back gauge ensures sheets are positioned perfectly every time, too. Even spring back, an inherent metal property, is more predictable thanks to the HPE's consistent force and positioning. The HPE delivers compelling ROI through tangible, bottom-line benefits. It slashes electricity use by 30 to 50% and eliminates all costs tied to hydraulic oil, no changes, filtration, or disposal. Faster cycle times and less rework boost daily production volumes, while smooth ram movement cuts uneven tool wear, extending tool life. Add greener operations, lower carbon footprint, regulatory compliance, and a quieter, safer workspace, and the HPE becomes a long-term investment that drives sustained savings and revenue. The HPE electric servo e-bend press brake is a quantum leap for metal fabrication. It swaps outdated hydraulics for servo-electric innovation, turning efficiency into savings, precision into perfect parts, and investment into lasting ROI. For future-ready manufacturers, it's the smart choice to evolve metal bending.